Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trades. Today, we're going to be building another EMD F unit here, and we're going to be building this Denver Rio Grande Western F9 locomotive. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build. So as usual, we'll start off with the rear coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up. Under it, we're going to do a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on the next block forward on bottom, put 3 fence gates sideways on the middle like this. Above this, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 blackstone brick blocks on the second and third layer in the middle. Come back here and open a birch fence gate on either side of the coupler, then put 3 dark oak trapdoors on the top back there. Now come on bottom in front of this, and we're going to put another wheel on each rail, with a deep slate tile top slab in the middle. In front of that, 5 wide of deep slate tile top slabs. Then in front of that, we're going to do 2 rows of 5 deep slate tile bottom slabs. Then we'll put 2 on the top middle. Then in front of this, another 5 wide of top slabs. In front of that, 1 slab in the middle and another right wheel on each rail. Then put a fence gate on the front of these 2 wheels. Then go through and put a hopper on all 4 netherite wheels here. Then we're going to put 2 fence gates on the side middle of each side of the truck. Then up here, 4 dark oak trapdoors here, and 4 here. Then on the middle of the second layer, do a line of blackstone brick block till you're aligned with these front fence gates, and put a full row of dark oak fence gates on either side of that up here. Then we're going to come stand on top of this and crouch, and put a single deep slate tile slab on top of all 4 of these hoppers. And then we're going to come out and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of all 4 of these slabs. And we also need to crouch and get a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. Repeat on this side. So get a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper over here. Then we'll come on top and crouch again, and we're going to put a sideways lightning rod here and here. And then 1 here and here. Next, we're going to take out polished andesite block, and we're going to come on the bottom right in front of this here, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle with polished andesite and extend it forward till it's 9 blocks long. So a 3 by 9. Then skip 1 block forward and do a 3 by 3 of polished andesite in the middle. Then we're going to put 3 polished andesite stairs upside down on the side here, and then 9 here. And same thing here, so 9 here, and 3 here. Then come on the second layer with blackstone brick block and start back here, and go 3 wide in the middle with it. And we're going to bring it forward, all the way across this gap, to the front of this one. Then on this front corner, put a polished andesite block here and here. Then behind it, we're going to do 2 polished andesite stairs that are facing into each other on each side like this. Then behind that on each side, 2 polished andesite blocks. Then behind that on each side, we're going to do 2 stairs facing into each other again. And then behind that, 2 polished andesite blocks again on each side. Then 1 more set of 2 stairs on each side facing into each other. And then finally 2 polished andesite blocks here, 2 here. Then an upside down polished andesite stair here facing backwards, and 1 here. Then come up on the front of it and 1 upside down facing forward on each top corner like this. Then we're going to come on these back 2 blocks here and put a blackstone button and a mangrove button like this. And same thing on this side, a blackstone button and a mangrove button. Then we're going to come up in front of this on the bottom and touching this polished andesite, a fence gate on each rail. In front of that, another wheel on each rail, and a deep slate tile top slab in the middle. Then 5 wide of top slabs here. Then in front of it, 2 rows of 5 bottom slabs across here. Then 2 top slabs on the middle, and in front of it, 5 wide of top slabs. In front of this, 1 slab in the middle, and another right wheel on each rail. Put a fence gate on each of these wheels up here. Then 2 fence gates on the side middle on each side of this truck. Then go through and put a hopper on all 4 wheels. Then we can crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And same thing on this side, over here. Then we'll come up top here and put 4 dark oak trapdoors here and 4 here. Then we'll do a line of black stone brick block down the top middle till you're aligned with these front fence gates. Then a full row of fence gates on the side up here, and a full row of fence gates on the side right here. Then come up here and crouch, and we're going to put a single deep slate tile slab on all 4 of these hoppers. And then we'll come out and we'll put a wither skeleton skull above all 4 wheels. Then crouch up here again and put a sideways lightning rod here and here, and then 1 here and 1 right here. Now come in front of this on bottom, put a temporary block down, and we need to go 5 wide of upside down, backward facing bamboo stairs here. Make sure they're all upside down. Above it, 5 yellow concrete. Then on the bottom middle, 3 right side up bamboo stairs facing forward. Above this, a yellow concrete in the middle and an upside down stair on either side. Then 1 yellow concrete here and a black stone brick block on all 4 of these. Take a dark oak stair, turn around and stack it up to this middle second block for the coupler. Under it, put a sideways dark oak fence gate, then open a birch fence gate above each rail, and a dark oak above each of those. Then we're going to put a birch fence gate here and here, and then in this corner 2 yellow stained glass panes on either side, and a black stained glass pane on the top of each corner. Up here, open a dark oak fence gate in the middle, like this. Then swing around behind this on this 3rd layer, and we're going to go 3 wide in the middle with polished black stone brick block on this 3rd layer, and we're going to bring it all the way across the top, 3 wide in the middle, and we'll come right down to this other end here. Then right here on the back, we're going to put 2 polished andesite stairs facing outward on the 2nd and 3rd layer. And same thing here, 2 stairs here. Then take a black stone brick stair and come up here on this top corner and put an upside down stair facing backwards on top of each side. Then behind that, we're just going to do a full row of polished andesite top slabs all the way across the top here to the other end. And then same thing on this side, start here and do a full row of polished andesite top slabs all the way across this. And now the base is done. Now on top of the front, we're going to put a yellow concrete in the center, then a light gray here and here, and same thing on this side. A light gray stained glass pane in each corner. Above this, yellow on top of all this, and then a yellow stained glass pane in each corner. Then a yellow concrete on the top middle, and a forward-facing bamboo stair on either side of it. Come behind this on each side, do a light gray concrete, and then a yellow. Back here, a forward-facing bamboo stair here and here, then an outward-facing stair here, and 1 here. Fill this with 2 rows of 3 yellow concrete. Up here, put 2 bamboo trapdoors in the middle. Then a yellow stained glass pane here, and a cyan one on either side. Then on the bottom outer edge of each side behind this, 4 light gray concrete, then 2 rows of 4 yellow concrete on each side. Then behind this, put a yellow concrete in the middle and 2 cyan stained glass blocks on either side. Then a yellow concrete here and here, and 2 cyan stained glass panes behind it, then a light gray stained glass pane for a mirror here and here. Come up here and put a yellow carpet here and here. Then come down here and we're going to change this slab to a polished andesite stair, 2 upside down stairs above it. Repeat on this side, so a right side up stair, 2 upside down above it. Then we'll put a bamboo door on top of each side. Then behind this, a light gray concrete on the bottom of each side, and then 3 yellow concrete on top of that on each side here. On either side of this door, do a column of 4 iron bars here and 4 here. Then of course, repeat on this side, so 4 iron bars here, and then 4 here. And then we're going to move down and work from the back end. Back here, put a door on the center, 2 light gray concrete on either side. Then 2 yellow concrete on either side, and then 5 yellow concrete across the top. Finally, 5 light gray concrete up here. Then come in front of this on the bottom of each side and do 3 light gray concrete, and then 2 rows of 3 yellow concrete. Then come down here, change this slab to a polished andesite stair and an upside down stair above it. And same thing on this side over here. Then we're going to put a door on top of the stair here and one over here. In front of this, do a full row of light gray concrete across this outer edge to the front. And repeat on that side, a full row of light gray concrete. Then above this, we'll do a full row of yellow concrete all the way across the side here. And then same thing here, a full row of yellow concrete all the way across this side. Then we'll put 1 yellow concrete here and here, and then a cyan stained glass pane. Come up front and put 2 yellow concrete on each side, then a cyan stained glass pane. Then fill the rest of this with yellow concrete. And then same thing here, fill this with yellow concrete as well. Now put a bamboo sign on either side of this front window. Then come back here and do 1 here, skip 1 a sign, skip 2 a sign. Repeat the pattern on this side. So 1 on either side of this front window. Then come back here, put 1 here, skip 1 a sign, skip 2 a sign. Then move down 1 hitbox, and across here put 5 black stone buttons for the lettering. And same thing, 5 buttons right here on this side. Then come up here, and we're going to do a full row of stone brick walls all the way across the top to the other end here. And repeat on this side. Another full row of stone brick walls all the way across this top outside edge. Then take out iron bars here by this back door. Put 3 on either side of this door, and then 2 down right here. Repeat on this side, so we're going to put 2 here, and then 3 here, and 3 here. Now we're going to come back here, and on either side of this door, 2 black stone brick walls, and 3 across the top. Then right here, a glow item frame with a frog light. Then we're going to put a black stone button here and here, and also 1 on bottom here, and 1 on bottom here. Then we're going to come on top of the front here with bamboo slabs. And we're going to put 5 across the windshield right here. And then we're going to come back until we're over this back yellow concrete. And same thing on this side. Then take yellow concrete, put 1 here and 1 here, and fill this whole front section 3 wide with yellow concrete. Behind this, put a light gray concrete in the middle, and then go 3 wide of light gray concrete behind that, and we're going to bring that all the way down to fill in the roof across the top middle here. And we'll bring it right down to this back end. Then on this outer edge, we're going to put a full row of polished andesite bottom slabs across here. And same thing on this side, a full row of polished andesite slabs all the way across here to the back end. Then on top of the back here, we're going to put 2 stone buttons here and here, then a 3x3 of iron trapdoors. Skip a block forward and use polished andesite slabs here to make 4 interconnected plus shapes for fans. Knock out the center of all 4 of them. Put in bedrock blocks in all 4, and then dead horn coral fans. Then we're going to put 2 fence gates here of birch and 2 here for the horns. 2 buttons on either side there, and up here 2 iron trapdoors. Then we're going to come on the nose, and we're going to put 2 glow item frames on the middle here with frog lights. Then we're going to come up here, put a dark oak sign here with our number 522. Same thing on this side. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack each. Then 1 dark oak sign under the headlights in the middle here, like this. Then we're going to make a banner, so come into a loom with a yellow banner in black dye. We're going to put a horizontal on the middle and top, make the bottom half light gray, and actually put a black horizontal on the middle again to thicken up that line. Then we'll come place these. So we're going to come up here, put 1 here and here, then start here and do a row across here. Then in front of these buttons, a row across here, and then a row across the front here. Come up here and put one on either side of the headlights here and here, and then repeat on this side. So roll banners across here, then across here, then across here, and finally one here and here. Now we'll do the interior, so come on inside here and take polish andesite blocks. And we're gonna put 3 under this window. Behind it, drop down a hip box and start filling this cab floor 3 wide. And we're gonna come back 1 block behind the doors. Up here, a netherite in the middle with 2 levers. Then up here, a glow item frame with a compass. Turn around and put a stair here and here for seats. Back here in the middle, put 2 blast furnaces. And then a door on either side like this. Then we'll come back here, and we're gonna drop down right here. Go 3 wide of polished andesite and a stair in front of each door. And behind this, we're gonna fill this whole flooring coming back with polished andesite block. And we're gonna bring it back here, stop 2 blocks before the very end, and put 3 stairs right here. Then up here in the middle, a column of 3 decorated pots. Skip a block back, 3 polished deep slate walls in the middle. Behind that, we're gonna do 8 anvils down the center. Above that, 8 netherite blocks. Then we're gonna come through and put a dark oak button on each netherite block on the side. And then repeat on this side. Above this, we'll do another row of anvils up here. Behind this on the bottom middle, 2 sideways end rods. Then behind this, go to smooth stone block, and we'll do a 3x3. Then 3 on the bottom middle. Then we're gonna do right here, a hopper, a brewing stand, and a hopper. Above it, 3 decorative pots, then a column of 3 pots behind it. In this back corner, put an end portal right here. And now the engine compartment is done, so our interior is done, and we can come back outside here. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Denver Rio Grande Western F9 locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.